Hello everyone, welcome back to Arvainalu Kalalu and this is Lavanya Krishna. Today in this video I am going to share a few activities that which we can follow at home for eye-hand coordination. What is eye-hand coordination? Eye-hand coordination is the ability of a vision system to coordinate the information we received through our eyes to control or to guide the hand to do the given task. For example, if we have to copy something from the blackboard, what we will do? The eye system has to guide the hand to write on the paper that what is on the board. Right? So, most of the hand movements require visual input to be carried out effectively. So that is what eye-hand coordination. So eye-hand coordination plays a vital role in every human's life at any period of the age. So at early age, we should focus on our children's eye-hand coordination development. So for most of you, these activities may look very common, or you feel like these are generally they are playing with their toys. But if you observe, you can notice a fine development in your children from age to age. That means how a child played with a toy when she was 4 months and how she is using the same toy when she is 8 months old. Definitely there will be an improvement on holding an object, or the way they are playing with it. Definitely you can notice. In this video, if you see the first two activities, generally these can be happened at school also, but few of us may have that such toys, or we may not have. But I am going to share a few ideas that which we can engage the children with our activities at home, and which improves their eye-hand coordination and also other developments also. So I asked my girl to peel an orange. So look there how focused she is, and she took nearly 2 minutes 20 seconds to peel one orange. So for this, first we have to give a proper instructions. So peel it, place that peel in a particular place. So she controls her hand movements also. So the thing is, we need a proper instructions. And with this they improve their life skills also, like they'll get more interest in engaging such beautiful activities. And I request you, all the people who were watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe, and to my subscribers and viewers also, I request you to share this with your relatives, friends, and to everyone if you like the video. Here I asked her to pluck the leaves from the mint twig. So this helps them just not only eye-hand coordination, but also it improves their fine motor skills also. So the energy they put to pluck the leaf from the twig, it strengthens the finger muscles. That's how they improve their fine motor skills also. So the teachers, we also can suggest the parents to involve the children in this kind of activities at home. So having toys and asking them to sit with the same kind of toys, even children may also feel bored. If we involve them in these kind of activities like household activities, in kitchen activities, they also feel very interest, and our job becomes very easy to engage them. Generally, the infants between 4 to 14 months of their age, they likes to explore their world and develop eye-hand coordination in conjunction with fine motor skills. So as an adult, what we have to do is, we just have to provide such a beautiful environment. So here I asked her to sort the vegetables, and this is very easy. We can do it easily at home. So with proper instructions, and for the children who are doing it for the first time, we can give a good demo before they are doing it. So with this kind of activities, we can give a good quality time to them, and also it helps to avoid maximum of screen time. So I can say these are the best activities, and I'll come up with more activities for eye-hand coordination in my future videos. So For such more videos, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. And one more thing I would like to say, I'm not a special educator in this, but with my experience I'm sharing all this. So suggestions and corrections in a very positive way is always welcome. Thank you. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.